guys.
Hello, guys.
So it's been a long time since we posted because we were busy on the what is it called, the Bone Blossom Quest.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
And he got banned
Yeah.
from Roblox because our cousin reported him for
Yeah.
no reason.
Yeah.
And then so we made a new account. I gave him pets, and then who wants Brontosaurus and a huge dog, dragonfly, shark moth, red fox, and queen bee.
Subscribe
And
now.
this, I forgot the name, but because it's long, let's see. This Dilophosaurus. Who wants it? Like and subscribe and
Subscribe now.
comment down below, and we'll pick the winner. So
Yeah, and look at this moth. Guys, Yancy got shot.
yes, just now I just did it. Look here, you can see the age. By the age, it's just new. So here you can see we were shouting because we're so happy. And I got this Bone Blossom, Burning Bud, and I will post a new video when the update comes. So like and subscribe for that video. For the Zen update, I'm hoping I could get a fox. So if you guys couldn't get, we will give you, because they said it was better than raccoon.
Yeah. What is it? This Kitsune?
Kitsune, yeah. Nine-tailed fox, I think. Yeah. So, yeah, we're really happy.
Yo, ready?
Yo, I just
forgot.
Oh, big.
That's good.
It's like a huge. Wait, is it huge?
I don't know.
No. Here, sell this. Sell it. Sell.
Okay. Let's go. I think what's that?
Nah,
It's not.
Ooh. No, it was big.
Oh!
Nah, it's small. You want it?
Nah. I'm okay.
And so, yeah, guys. So if you guys want it, we'll just like and subscribe and comment down your username, and we'll. The sugar apple seed. Yo.
What the?
In a way, look.
Yo.
Look. Shh. Gar. Here. Here, I only have 2. 3. Yo!
You're so lucky!
You're so lucky, bro. What the hell? This day is lucky. Sheesh. And the shark moth looks so cool. Yeah. I wish I could get it in my dragonfly as well.
Because it's so rainbow.
I don't want the dragonfly to be gold because it's already gold mutation. So, but chopped would be good.
Here, look at this body.
Look at this moth. I'm keeping it. And if you guys I'm not keeping. If you guys want to
That's my dragonfly.
moth. That's my dragonfly. And
You buy it.
Nah, bruh. I win, bruh. Okay, so and comment your username down below, and we'll pick a winner if you want. So let's see, seed. Ain't no way, sugar apple seed.
Yeah, you're so lucky, bro. It's a long time.
Red fox. And if you guys didn't know, they buffed the, what is it called?
Red fox?
Red fox, yes.
Yeah. It's divine now.
Yes. Nothing good in the pets. Let's see.
What if?
Can you give me that?
What if I had this paradise?
Mimic.
Yeah. What if?
Yeah. Check the rest.
Two.
Hmm?
Yeah, what the heck, bro?
Wait, guys, because we are thirsty.
Yeah.
Here, put it back in the ref.
Look at this body, bro. Look at this body. Chocolate.
Open it again.
I thought it's chocolate.
You want chocolate? Here's chocolate. 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 But wait. I'll ask my mom if I can get chocolate. Oh! Check the new seeds.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, what the heck, bro? Nothing good. Chicken, banana.
Chicken, banana, banana.
Banana.
So yeah, guys.
Nah. 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 Nah.
I'd win.
What the heck, bro? Where's my money? Chicken, banana.
Chicken, banana. No.
Fell. What the? Oh, sheesh.
Okay, bye guys. See you later.
Okay, bye. Subscribe.